We are getting set out here at the Driftwood Estates to pressure wash this 21,000 square foot pool deck. Pull in 500 feet of pressure hose. Here's the view from up top. I don't know, maybe a quarter of the way through. I'm sharing water out here, so I gotta wait for this tank to fill back up. I think we had a good hour run maybe, so we'll see how long it takes to fill up. We're finally back. A 2-hour delay. On part of the property there was a water main was bust, so they had to fix some plumbing and wait for the glue to set. But we're back at it.